going through what a visit looks like and how that is leading to your frustrations. And when you're frustrated, it's probably because you're having problems or hitches with your thought processes, which is leading to faulty treatment strategies, which is leading to your patients not getting results. So everybody involved is frustrated, confused, and ready to get out of the broken medical model. This is why most PT patients do not finish their course of care. In fact, I saw something a couple months ago that said most PT patients don't return after the second visit. And I highly doubt that's because cupping, needling, stretching, foam rolling, K-tape fixed them in 2 visits. It's because they figured out that stuff wasn't working and they're wasting your time going to PT. So let's make this interactive. I want you guys to post below the reasons why you feel like you're frustrated. Is it, so if you think about the whiteboard, go back down and rewatch that video about what an eval looks like and how everything spans the entire, everything should, if you're using the 180 system, everything spans the entire time. So everything meshes together and it works together, and it's a organic treatment procedure, organic thought process based on science versus the compartmentalized way you learn to do things in school, which is not working for you. So what are the things that you're most frustrated with? You're most confused with? Is it going from like, how do I figure out what information I need in my eval in order to proceed to the procedure? So I get that a lot of times. A lot of students saying, well, I don't even know if I got the right information in my eval. And then I go do the visit, and the visit doesn't really have anything to do with what I did in the eval, but my eval didn't make any sense, so I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So is your biggest complaint limitation going from not having the right information in the eval and then going to treatment? Is it going to treatment strategies or tools in your toolbox that don't make sense, that you don't want to do, but you don't know what the other option is? Like, what are you going to replace it with? So that was my conundrum when I was 6 months out of PT school. I know all this crap that I'm doing isn't working. I know that I don't want to do it, but what do I do instead? Okay, so is that your problem? Is your problem, well, I feel pretty confident in my eval and my treatment, but then I get to either patient education or exercise prescription progression, and that stuff doesn't make sense. So I already know if your eval didn't make sense, then your patient education doesn't make sense, and your therapeutic exercise is just whatever you saw somebody else do, and I'm just going to do that. Okay, so let me know what your biggest frustration is in that. Rewatch that video and tell me what you came out of that video with. Like, if I could fix this one or these 2 things, I could fix a lot of my problem. And then also let me know what your patients report to you are their biggest frustrations. When they come back for their 2nd, their 4th, their 8th, their 10th visit, is it, I still have pain, I still can't, is it the reporting, I still can't do functional things? Is it, I still feel weak? Is it, I felt great and then it came back? So let me know what your patients are reporting to you as their frustrations, or if you know that your patients aren't coming back after the 2nd visit, it's because of this. What I told them, I know didn't make sense to me. So I know if I'm doing patient education on something that I don't believe in and doesn't make sense to me, it's obviously not going to make sense to my patients. So maybe that's it. Maybe it's they just think the whole treatment strategy was crap. Maybe you missed the mark and they didn't jive with what you thought their problem was versus what they thought their problem was. So let me know those things in the comments below, and then I can come back and address those things more specifically. So that whiteboard video that I did with Josh, big overall encompassing of an entire evaluation. So a lot of things going into that. And there's a lot of things that could be the little problem, the little pebble in your shoe that's screwing up everything. Okay, so let me know by commenting in the comments below, and I'll come back and I'll make videos that are more focused on what you guys come back with what your biggest sticking points and frustrations are, and what you're getting from your patients as far as them reporting what their complaint is on follow-up visits.